what's up guys, welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got a watch face that I think that's free that should be paid because of what it offers. Now the name of this watch face is called Design 1006, right? And you look at the design, it's a nice analog chronograph watch face that looks nice. Now for what it offers, considering that it's free, it's quite a bit. So you get a few dials, you get digital time at the top, which is 24 hours. You do get an analog look, so you get the best of both worlds. Now inside your dials, you're gonna get your heart rate information, your battery over here, you're gonna get your steps down at the bottom. You're also gonna get your date. Now this video isn't gonna do it justice. It looks really nice in person, and it is interactive, so if I tap on it, I can go into that particular application for that dial, which is not bad at all. I mean, the developer really did a good job with giving us everything but the kitchen sink, right? So I'm going to tap right here and you're going to get your weather. You tap right here, go around the board. It's going to give you all different applications that you can tap into. That's really nice. What do you think, people? All right, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this freebie. And yes, this one is free, so download ASAP before free becomes paid. All right, you all, we got one more watch face to review. Hold tight. Here it comes. Watch face number two. Number two is elegant and beautiful. The name of the watch face is called Viron Victrix. A very nice look. It looks basic, it looks plain, but it has an elegant look and feel as well. Now in the always on mode, it's just going to be dimmed down. You're still going to get that luxurious look, but when the watch face is on, I like the background color and I like the color of the numbers and the index. It screams elegance. I'm liking this watch face. Now this would be that watch face that you want to put on when you're going to hit the town. I mean, you can dress down casual, but if you're talking about dressing to impress, this would be the watch face to put on your wrist for the weekend. Now what I like that's very unique about the watch face, now I know you see battery, right? And you're wondering why that is there. So if I tap down at the bottom or anywhere on the watch face, it brings up numbers. What that's going to tell me is how much battery percentage I have left. One of the most unique functions or features on the smartwatch face that I've saw yet. Now I like it. You also get your date here, but again, a nice second hand. I like the color of the tips of the hands, as well as the second hand is going around the bezel of the watch, which looks awesome. But tell me, people, what do you think? Is this worthy of a download, or should we just leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy family and friends, eat well, but most of all, people, you know what I'm going to say. Be safe. All right, you all, that's it. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.